Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Dollar General is definitely spoiling us this year in 2022. We have got lots of great deals to talk about today. Unfortunately, Ohio has me snowed in here, so I wasn't able to go out to the store to film for you guys this week. So I've sort of coupled together today's video with a lot of old footage and pictures and stuff that I've taken before. So hopefully you guys can bear with me, but I promise the deals are really, really good, beginner friendly. You guys are going to be excited. And by the way, stick around to the end because I'm saving the biggest savings on Gain products to the very end of the video. So you don't want to miss it. Let's go. This first transaction is going to be a little bit of a try deal, just giving you a heads up that I haven't been in store, obviously, because of the weather, so I haven't gotten a chance to try out this deal myself, but I do think it will work, so I'm not too worried about it, but just letting you know that right up front. We're going to start by picking up 2 packages of the Scott 6 big rolls of toilet paper. This is different than the, I'll show you here, 12 big rolls that we usually pick up for $5. So this says 3, but it's actually on sale this week for $2.75. So we're going to purchase 2 of those. And then if you didn't use it last week, you should still have, I went too far. You should still have this $1 digital coupon, and it does work because it just has to be 6-pack or larger. So one of those on one of those packs, and then I used mine already, but if you do, you should have a $1 off digital coupon just like this in the coupons.com app that should work on the other pack of those. Next, we're going to pick up 4 packages of the 110 count of Kleenex. These are $1.50 typically, but they are on sale this week for $5 instead of $6 for 4. So we're losing $1 there, which is good. And then you will also have still a $1 digital coupon in your account, so making them 4 for 4 essentially. So $1 a box. So not bad. Yep, 2 packages of the 12 count of Cottonelle for $5 a piece, so $10 for both. You have this $1 off digital coupon in your account to use on one, and then again, you should have another $1 off digital coupon from the coupons.com app, or you might still have a paper coupon from the last Smart Source on those. So take a look at that. $1 off and $1 off, and then we're going to use the 4 off of 20 instant savings here because we're purchasing all of these paper products, the Scott, the Kleenex, and the Cottonelle. So we're going to get $4 off instant savings. Now, just as a quick reminder, instant savings does come off of your transaction first at the register, which means instead of spending $25 like we typically do on Saturdays, you need to make sure you're spending $29 to account for that $4. So no big deal. We'll spend $29 at the end, but just giving you a heads up about that. Pick one of the Centrum vitamins for $5. You have a $4 digital coupon on that, taking off quite a bit and making it just $1. But if you've already used that coupon, you can also go to coupons.com and clip the same coupon here that's $4 off of a 50 count or larger Centrum, and just print that out and use that instead. If you follow the link in the description box of this video to coupons.com, that would really help us out. We get a little kickback every time you guys print out coupons, so that's always a bonus. But yeah, you can print that out if you've already used that coupon. For this deal, you can pick up one of the men's Bic Flex 3 disposable razor packs. This is why I said this was a try deal, just because I haven't tried this paper coupon here yet that I'm going to tell you to use. But this is a $4 3-pack of razors, and we have this paper coupon here from the last Smart Source that is a $4 off coupon, essentially making this a freebie. But like I said, I haven't tried it, but the item pictured on the coupon is in fact this razor, and it's mentioned in the description as well. So I don't think you should have any problem using it, but just a heads up that if you do, you could end up paying a little extra on this deal. But like I said, I think this is going to be fine. Sure, you've got your 5 off of 25 clipped, of course. Your subtotal for this first transaction is going to come to $29.50. Remember, we have to spend at least $29 to get that instant savings on the paper products. And after all those coupons, including your 5 off of 25, come off, and your instant savings, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $7.50 plus tax, whatever tax is where you are, for all of those items. And when you consider that one of those toilet paper packs is $5 just by itself, $7.50 for all of this is a pretty good deal. Transaction, we are also going to be using some instant savings, but it's just $1, so it's not too much to worry about. We're going to start by picking up one of these soft soap liquid hand soaps for $2.50, and we're also going to pick up a men's speed stick, and that's because we've got this $1 off instantly when you buy any two of the soft soap liquid hand soap or the men's speed stick, and the ounces are listed right there. So we're going to pick up one of each of those, so that's $2, and that should be $2.50. And then we've got these 50-cent off paper coupons from our last newspaper inserts. I can't remember if these were the Save insert or the Smart Source insert, but one of those. But we have a 50-cent off of one and a 50-cent off the other. Plus, we're going to use this $1 off instant savings. So instead of spending $25, we need to make sure we're spending at least $26 at the end. One of the Schick Classic women's disposable razors, 3-count. These are $4, and we have this $3 off digital coupon on those. So just making them $1. So nice little filler. I picked up 3 of the Pepperidge Farm 6.6 ounce goldfish packages. We just have this store coupon here, making them 3 for $5. Next, you're going to be picking up 4 of the Reese's Candy king size hearts. These are $1.50 a piece, so $6 for all 4 of them. But we have this buy 2 get 2 free coupon, so essentially you're taking $3 off there. 2 of the Reese's hearts. Up one of the Nivea women's body wash. This is $5, and we've got this $2 digital coupon on women's body wash there. So essentially just making it $3. Last but not least, if you want to do this deal, you could go ahead and pick up one of those Scott 6 big rolls packs for $2.75 because it's on sale, and you've got that digital coupon again, taking $1 off. Again, you're going to want to make sure that you have your 5 off of 25, as always, clipped for this deal. Your subtotal for this transaction should come to $27.25, and your out-of-pocket cost after all of your coupons and your instant savings is going to come to $11.25 plus tax, which I think is excellent, but we've got even more savings, so let's just continue rolling right along. Okay, for this third transaction here, we're going to start by picking up one of the Gain Flings 14 count for $3.95. We have this $1 off digital coupon here on that, so you can actually do it on a multiple of items. So there's 14 count of the flings. You could get the fabric softener if you'd rather get that. The fabric softener sheets, whatever. But I recommend just sticking with the flings. I just try to keep it simple. That way, there's no confusion with the coupons. You're also going to pick up one of the liquid detergents. Let's see if I can find one here to show you. Not the $6.95 version. That's like a 65 or a 70 ounce bottle. You want the smaller bottle that's only $4.95, and you're going to use this coupon right here for $1 off on the $4.95 version of that. Go ahead and pick up a second one of these. We don't have a coupon for it. We don't have as many Gain coupons as we typically do. I did see some available on pngeveryday.com, but they're going to expire actually before Saturday rolls around. So I guess you could pick up some extra Gain stuff during the week if you wanted to print out those coupons. I think they actually expire today, the 18th, but they might flip over tomorrow. They might get some new Gain coupons. So we'll just have to keep an eye out for that and see if they get any more by Saturday. But regardless, pick up another one of these liquids for $4.95. We don't have a coupon, but that's okay. We're still going to get a really low total at the end. Have 2 of the Febreze small spaces that are Gain scented. You want to make sure they're Gain scent. You can definitely scan items in store with your Dollar General app to make sure that they qualify for the correct coupon. The coupon that we're going to use there is this $3 off of 2 Febreze products coupon, so that's going to work there. You're also going to want to use this Swiffer coupon, so let me show you on what. you're going to pick up a package of these the Swiffer mopping cloths. I like the wet version. These are $5, and you, again, just Gain scented, right? Everything's Gain. And you use this $1 off digital coupon. This does qualify for the Gain 5 off of 30 coupon as well. So pick up one of those, use this $1 off coupon, and last but not least, 2 of the $3 Gain dryer sheets. These are the 60 count, or you could even do one of the 200 count for $6.95, doesn't matter. But you want to be spending at least $6. So there's no coupons on that. Again, I know, frustrating, but just pick up at least $6 worth there just to get us up to our total that we need to hit. So 2 of these or one of those. Your 5 off of 25 coupon clipped, as well as this $5 off of 30 Gain coupon right here that expires on Saturday. So we want to make sure we use that. Your subtotal for this Gain transaction is going to come to $30.85. We need to make sure we're spending at least $30. And our out-of-pocket cost is going to be just $14.85 plus tax, or $1.85 each, which isn't the cheapest that we've ever got Gain, but it is pretty good, especially if you're needing to stock up on some, and if you're getting low, half price for all that stuff is great. Now let's go ahead and get into this last deal, which is a super cheapie. We're going to start by picking up one of the Airwick scented oil warmers. I know we have 1,000 of these, but hey, if it fills up space in our deal and it helps us get stuff cheaper, we will just get it. So this is $1.65. We still have these $1.75 Airwick scented oil coupons until February, it looks like. So go ahead and pick up that. Use that for a 10-cent overage. Those Scott toilet paper for $2.75, and use that $1 off digital coupon to make it just $1.75. We're going to pick up one of these Nivea lotions that are on sale this week for $3.65. You're going to use this $2 off digital coupon, making it just $1.65 for that. One Centrum vitamin, again, for $5, and you've got that $4 off digital coupon. Such a great deal on those. And next, you're going to pick up 3 of the American Greetings greeting cards. These are actually 50 cents a piece. I think technically they want you to spend $1 per card, but Dollar General just doesn't have that. So this is $1 off of 3 greeting cards. Scan with your Dollar General app to make sure, but my app says that the 50-cent cards count for this coupon. So you would essentially be buying 3 at $1.50 and using the $1 off coupon, making it just 50 cents for the 3 of them. 2 boxes of the Cap'n Crunch Peanut Butter Crunch cereal. These are $3.15. They're actually 2 for $5, even though it says $3.15 there. So you're going to spend $5 on both boxes. But then you've got this $2 off 2 digital store coupon on Quaker products that's going to count for those. So it's going to take $2 off essentially. So $3 for 2 boxes, or $1.50 per box. To go with the full-on Gain deal and you just want to get a little bit of savings on Gain this week, grab one of these $4.95 liquid detergents like we did in the last deal, and just use that $1 off digital coupon right there on that in this deal and get some savings at the end, which is going to be really, really good. Pick up that Big Flex 3 razor. That's the $4 one, and you have that paper $4 off coupon from our last newspaper inserts. If you didn't have that, you could always do that Chic razor. I'll show you what it looks like again here. The Chic Classic Women's right there. With the $3 off coupon, you just pay like $1 or so more at the end of your transaction. So if you don't have the paper coupon, you could always do that instead as an alternative. So you have your 5 off of 25 clipped, and your subtotal for this very last transaction is going to come to $28.50. After all of your coupons come off, plus your 5 off of 25, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost on this one for just $6.75 for 11 items, or 61 cents each. And you just can't beat 61-cent Gain. Now, if you don't want to miss out on deals like this, like I said, I recommend bopping that subscribe button and the notification bell. You do not want to miss out on 61-cent Gain, because, this is not the last time that's going to happen.
Thanks for bearing with me while I'm snowed in, you guys. I really, really appreciate you checking out this video. If you liked it, leave it a big thumbs up. If the weather holds, we will still have a live Dollar General deals video Saturday morning, as we always do. Be on the lookout for my week in the life of an extreme couponer vlog that's coming out this week. And happy saving!